Hey everybody, Derek Smith here from Pop Up Camper Pro, and I've got a quick tip for you about bubble levels. Bubble levels allow you to see if the camper's level when you're setting it up. Yeah, it makes sense, right? And this camper here, this O2 Utah, I'm working on, getting ready to go on a camping trip, has them installed a little incorrectly. Let me show you. So we got one on the front there. And any on the sides? No, no. But wait, we got another one on the back. First, I like to use a 3-foot level. Make sure we are perfectly on the mark. If we're not, we use the stabilizer jacks and the tongue jack to level it off. All right, checking fore and aft, that's good. And I'll use the front of the tongue to check side by side. And we're a little off. Let's come a little bit up on that other side. And that looks better. The placement of these were correct. It should be in the center. But again, we need another one on the side. So we'll get rid of this one. Get off there. All right, open our kit. Got these from our web store. I'll add links in the description below. You don't have to screw these on. They have a self-adhesive backing. And just make sure she's perfectly level when you put her on there. And we're going to ignore that little front side. Push it on. And for the side one, you want it as close to the center as possible. And there you go. It's another do-it-yourself job that you could do. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and mash that notification bell if you have not already to be alerted when new content is available. I'll see you all at the campground.